Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I am going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth on this laptop. To enable Bluetooth, hover over the three icons you can see on your status bar, click on them, and then to enable Bluetooth just click this icon right here and make it turn the blue color. Blue color means it's enabled. Now clicking this arrow icon will get you to the list of devices, and you can choose which device you want to connect to. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.